Hey y'all, it's Tori again, and this month I have a really quick and easy and tasty DIY for you. This is a easy mug brownie. The name is a little misleading. It's not really a true brownie because it doesn't have any leaveners or anything like that, but this is what I make when I'm out of ice cream at my house and I don't feel like getting into baking mode to make like real brownies or cookies or something like this. So I throw this together for me and my partner all the time because it's super quick and pretty tasty and very easy. So for the mug brownie, I have a quarter cup of flour, a quarter cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and I've also got a pinch of salt in here. That was just the easiest way for me to carry it from my house to here. And then I have 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and a quarter cup of water and a little bit of vanilla extract. So pretty simple ingredients. So what I'm going to do is I am going to add my dry ingredients into my cup and mix them up. Alright, and you can see I've got all my stuff pretty evenly mixed together, no big clumps. Make sure you're getting all the way into the little corners so you don't have any weird lumps of flour down there. I've done that before. It does not make for a tasty surprise at the bottom of your cup. So now I'm going to add my oil and water and a little dash of vanilla. Right, you'll mix that up really good. Like I said, be sure you're getting all into those corners so you don't have any like dry clumps of powder at the bottom of your cup. And it all mixed up really good. Alright. So when I'm at home, I will sometimes at this point add a dollop of peanut butter to the middle or throw in some chocolate chips if I have some. Or lately I've been using Nutella and just throwing like a little spoonful of Nutella in the middle and covering it all up so that when you put it in the microwave and the brownie part bakes, the middle gets all nice and warm and gooey. So when you pop in, that's like a nice surprise. So I'm gonna run to our break room and microwave this, and you're gonna go for 1 minute and then you'll have a brownie. All right, so I went upstairs and I microwaved my mug brownie for 1 minute, and as you can see, it is now brownie-like. I like it to where it's a little bit almost still battery in the middle. You can see where it's shiny, that it's not like cooked to matte, but I like it that way if you don't give it another 5 or 10 seconds. Something I should have said at the beginning, make sure your cup is microwave safe. It usually says it on the bottom if it is or it isn't. And yeah, so at this point, you know, if you have a little bit of frosting or some ice cream that you might like, you could throw that on there if you wanted, but I think I'm just gonna eat mine just like this. Yeah, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys get a chance to try this out. Try it with different mix-ins or anything that you might like. All right, thanks you guys, and I will see you next month for another DIY. Bye, y'all.